Hey guys, Lexi here, and today we're going to be doing my hair again. I have not done my hair in like, I think 3 months now, but I've been letting it grow out as you can see. But I am tired of this like blonde, blue, green, whatever this color is. I don't like it. So I'm going to put some color over it. I'm still going to be letting the brown come out. I'm just going to kind of let it just keep coming out until I just don't like it. But I'm trying to let my natural hair come back because I haven't had natural hair in forever. So that will be going on as long as I can handle it. But today we are going to be doing a split dye. I'm going to do half my hair purple and the other half blue. I got 2 Ion colors. I will link them in the description below. I got a purple and a blue. If it focuses. My camera does not like to focus when I want it to focus. The things you'll need are the dyes, stuff to cut your hair and trim it and whatnot. You know, brushes for the dyes, bowls, your conditioner, because I like adding conditioner to this because it doesn't need the activator or anything. This dye just needs like some conditioner to make it a little bit more pasty. So I just add conditioner until I'm happy with it and and just put it on my hair and leave it there for like 45 minutes and then rinse it with cold water. So first, another thing. Make sure you buy gloves. I never remember to buy gloves. I always tell myself to buy gloves, but I never remember ever. So if you don't, then just prepare for colorful hands. So we're going to have colorful hands today. So I will quit babbling. I'm going to cut my hair and then we're going to dye it. So let's begin.
Ladies and gentlemen, can I please have your attention? I've just been handed an urgent and horrifying news story. And I need all of you to stop what you're doing and listen.
With bits of real panther, so you know it's good.
It's quite pungent.
Oh yeah.
It stings the nostrils. In a good way.
Yeah.
Brian, I'm gonna be honest with you, that smells like pure gasoline.
60% of the time, it works. Every time.
That doesn't make sense.
Okay guys, so here's the completed hair. So I really like the way it turned out. I wasn't sure about leaving my roots, but I think they blended quite well. So this side is lavender, and this side, I don't know how to say the blue, but I will link everything in the description below. I used Ion Brilliance. I usually use Ion Brilliance. I really like the way their colors turn out. This is how it turned out, and I really like it. If you have any other color suggestions you would like to see on my hair, please put them in the comments below and I will try them out. I'm always interested in trying new hair colors. So this is what we have for now. I'm going to let it fade out, and then we're going to try a new one. I am already thinking new ones, and I just got this one. That's just how I am. Anyway, so if you like this hair, please give it a thumbs up and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for any more cosplay, hair related, or any other weird things I do. So thank you for watching. My name is Alexia, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!